What is the inside of the test tube?
Copper sulfate.
Inside of the test tube, copper sulfate is what you are observing inside of the test tube walls. What is there? Are you observing water drops?
Yes.
Little bit of water drops are there. What is the copper sulfate of blue color of copper sulfate? What happening? See, it is changing into which color? White color, no?
Yes.
So the blue color is disappearing when we are heating. Okay, na? So we are observing the water drops also inside of the test tubes. Okay, na? Are you understanding?
Yes.
See, that is the water drops. Next, now remove the spirit lamp. Okay. Okay. Remove the spirit lamp. So this is the white color. Are you observing? White color.
White color.
Now we add the water drops into the test tube. So which color observed? Blue. So again the copper sulfate is again reappeared. Which color?
Blue color.
So this is the called
Water
water crystallization. Start.